Hi, I'm Oliver from RoadReady, and thank you for being a part of the RoadReady family. This is our installation series, where we will walk through step by step how to install our hardware on your trailer so that your fleet can get the most of everything that RoadReady has to offer. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ABS warning sensor. It takes most technicians around 10 minutes to complete this installation. The game plan for today is to show you how to wire the ABS warning sensor into the main harness and mount it to the trailer. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items on hand so you can complete the installation. You might want to take a moment and capture an image of this screen with your smartphone. It may come in handy when you perform this yourself. The warning sensor will be installed underneath the trailer on the inside of the driver's side frame rail within a few feet of the ABS warning light. Disconnect the trailer's harness from the ABS warning light. Connect the negative white wires from the ABS warning sensor to the negative white wires of the trailer harness and the ABS light. Connect the positive black wires from the ABS warning sensor to the positive black wires of the trailer harness and the ABS light. Use a power drill and self-driving screws to secure the warning sensor to the trailer. Bundle the trailer harness, ABS light, and warning sensor wires together and secure with zip ties. And just like that, your hardware installation is complete, and your company will now be able to stay even further in front of potential issues in your fleet. Now it's your turn to do this installation for yourself. Should you need anything else, our RoadReady customer success team is here for you. Just call us at 877-537-3820 or contact the team through our website at rrtelematics.com. Thanks for your time, and on behalf of the entire team, we appreciate you choosing RoadReady for your fleet monitoring solutions.